Today on Shopit, we're going to take a look at how to create different users and allocate them different roles. As you'll have seen, one of the major strengths of using Shopit is the ability to create and manage multiple different websites and multiple different marketplaces from the same central admin. Now, when you grow your business, it's perfectly likely that you're going to have different staff controlling different areas of the business. Senior management will want to see everything across the entire board in terms of sales, products and inventory, but lower down staff users will need to have their privileges restricted to the job that they're actually focused on. This is where users and roles becomes very important. First, let's take a look at the roles. A user role is effectively a combination of privileges that they would have across the website. Let's take a look at website number 1, user. When we were creating this particular user role, we decided to give it a name. Pretty straightforward. We have a sales channel called website 1, and this is going to be a user of that particular sales channel. Let's change their name to admin perhaps. Put in a little description to help us understand what the role is all about, and then start allocating them different channels that they will be able to see the various features and settings of. Here we've chosen just that they are a website 1 user only. They will not see any activity for James Steele clothing, for Gentry apparel, or for the French websites on different marketplaces. Then we get the ability to choose what access they have got to each area of the website. Here, we want them to take a look at the different stock locations, but we don't want them editing anything on there. A warehouse manager, you would probably want to tick this as read and write. Sales channels, we're going to let them see the other sales channels that are available, but we're certainly not going to let them create new ones. Suppliers, well, for this particular role, they're just managing the products and the orders for this particular website 1 sales channel, so they don't need to see anything to do with suppliers. You can continue through all the different features, from orders, refunds, product management, we're giving them read and write, inventory, we're giving them read and write, reports, can make them read only, categories, we want them creating new categories. You can go all the way through from snippets and then down to the final access settings. You will want to turn this off if you don't want them then creating different users themselves or different order statuses, etc. You just want them to manage the day-to-day role. There we're going to click update. Now, we've just hired a new person with the company. Her name is Melanie, and she's going to be in charge of website 1 as the admin. Now be careful here, it defaults to admin. We want to change it to website 1 admin. Pop in her username and password and create the user. Now, if I go ahead and log out and log back in as Melanie, we'll see her restricted privileges. We'll be able to see that she can only see sales activity of website 1. And whilst we did give her the ability to view other stock locations, as you can see, they're at read-only status. Same with the other sales channels. We want her to be aware of the business that's going on, but certainly not make any changes. When it comes to orders, we'll need to create her an order view just for the website 1 order admin. Products we've already done. You can see that she has got access only to website 1, and if we try and if she tries and looks at the views for other sales channels, she can't see that. Likewise with the inventory, likewise with things like pages, none added yet. Categories, she can only see the categories for website 1. And she certainly can't go ahead and create other users or change her own privileges.